Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to advertise your products on Shopify. So let's say you don't want to spend money on ads. Of course, if you want to spend money, getting ads on Google ads or Facebook ads is a great way, or even TikTok ads is a great way to go. So you can even subscribe or go into the TikTok affiliate program and pay users to promote your products. However, if you don't want to pay and you want to generate organic traffic into your Shopify store and you want to do it for free, you need to be good at creating videos. So this account, for example, sells this freeze display, like this plastic frame that holds stuff in place. Now here they do create some videos showcasing how the product works, and they add a link, or they have a link on their profile to linking to their Shopify store. So of course, this is a great method of increasing your sales, as these videos, as you can see, some of the videos get more than 1 million views, or even 8 million views, or 15 million views, as you can see here. So this is a great way to push organic traffic into your Shopify store and promote your products to get more sales.